Hey, what's up?
Fine.
Why are you looking sad?
Recently I saw an accident.
Oh. So sad.
Tell me, why an accident took place on the road?
Sometimes the driver drives the bus very careless, that leads in road accident.
How and why road accident occur when people crossing the road?
People during crossing the road does not care about the road signals.
What are these signals?
These signals are red, yellow and green.
What does the red signals means?
The red signals means to stop.
What does the yellow signals means?
The yellow signal means to wait.
What does the meaning of green signals?
Green signals means to go.
Oh, I understand.
That perfect. So when you are crossing the road, always follow the road signals.
Sure, I will follow.
That's great. Now I am going to my house. Bye bye.
Fine with me. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching my channel.